Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of laptops that don't compromise. We're talking about machines that can handle demanding games and power through your workday. The Lenovo LOQ 15ARP9 promises to be just that, a versatile powerhouse designed for both intense gaming sessions and productive workdays. The LOQ 15ARP9 enters a crowded market where finding the perfect balance between performance and portability is key. Lenovo aims to deliver on both fronts with this laptop, packing in impressive hardware without sacrificing portability. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. We'll be putting the LOQ 15ARP9 through its paces, exploring its gaming capabilities, productivity features, and everything in between. From the latest AAA titles to demanding creative software, we'll see if this laptop can handle the heat. So, buckle up, and let's get into it. Alright, let's talk specs. The Lenovo LOQ 15ARP9 comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 processor. This CPU is known for its multi-core performance, making multitasking a breeze. Whether you're rendering videos, compiling code, or simply juggling multiple browser tabs, the Ryzen 5 is up to the task. But what about gaming? That's where the NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics card comes in. This GPU packs a punch, delivering smooth frame rates and stunning visuals. The RTX 3050 is more than capable of handling modern games at respectable settings, allowing you to enjoy immersive gaming experiences on the go. To top it off, the LOQ 15ARP9 boasts a generous 24GB of RAM and a speedy 512GB SSD. This means lightning-fast boot times, snappy application loading, and plenty of memory for multitasking without slowdowns. Basically, this laptop is designed to keep up with your every demand. Time to see how this bad boy performs in the real world. In our benchmark tests, the LOQ 15ARP9 delivered impressive results. Games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Red Dead Redemption 2 ran smoothly at 1080p resolution, with a mix of medium to high settings, showcasing the RTX 3050's capabilities. The 24GB of RAM ensures a stutter-free gaming experience, even when multitasking or running memory-intensive applications in the background. And let's not forget the display. The LOQ 15ARP9 sports a beautiful 15-inch Full HD display with a fast refresh rate, resulting in smooth gameplay and vibrant colors. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, the LOQ 15ARP9's gaming performance is sure to impress. It strikes a great balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates, making it a joy to game on. Section 4, Beyond Gaming, a productivity powerhouse for the modern user. Now let's step out of the gaming world and into productivity territory. The LOQ 15ARP9 isn't just a gaming laptop, it's a versatile machine capable of handling demanding workloads. The powerful Ryzen 5 processor and ample RAM make light work of content creation tasks like video editing, 3D modeling, and graphic design. Software developers will also appreciate the LOQ 15ARP9's performance. The fast SSD ensures quick access to project files, while the powerful CPU can handle compiling and debugging without breaking a sweat. And for everyday business tasks, the LOQ 15ARP9 is more than capable. From spreadsheets and presentations to video conferencing and web browsing, this laptop can handle it all with ease. Section 5. Keeping cool under pressure. The LOQ 15ARP9's thermal management. Of course, with great power comes the need for great cooling. Lenovo understands this, and they've equipped the LOQ 15ARP9 with an efficient cooling system. The laptop features strategically placed vents and fans to dissipate heat effectively, preventing thermal throttling and ensuring optimal performance even during extended gaming sessions or demanding workloads. The cooling system is surprisingly quiet too, so you can focus on your tasks or immerse yourself in your games without distracting fan noise. Lenovo has clearly put thought into the LOQ 15ARP9's thermal design, and it shows. This laptop stays cool and quiet even when pushed to its limits. Section 6. Staying connected, staying powered. Battery and connectivity options. Now, let's talk about staying connected on the go. The LOQ 15ARP9 comes with a variety of ports to satisfy your connectivity needs. You'll find multiple USB ports for connecting peripherals, an HDMI port for external displays, and an audio jack for your headphones or speakers. In terms of wireless connectivity, the LOQ 15ARP9 features Wi-Fi 6 for blazing fast internet speeds and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless pairing with your devices. The battery life is decent, providing several hours of mixed usage. Of course, gaming will drain the battery faster, but for everyday tasks, you can expect a solid battery performance. Section 7. The verdict. Weighing the pros and cons of the Lenovo LOQ 15ARP9. Alright, let's wrap things up. The Lenovo LOQ 15ARP9 is an impressive laptop that excels in both gaming and productivity. It offers a compelling combination of powerful hardware, a stunning display, and an efficient cooling system, all packaged in a sleek and portable design. The Ryzen 5 processor and RTX 3050 graphics card deliver excellent performance, allowing you to tackle demanding games and creative workloads with ease. The 24GB of RAM and 512GB SSD ensure snappy performance and ample storage space. Overall, the Lenovo LOQ 15ARP9 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a versatile laptop that can handle both work and play. It offers exceptional value for its price, making it a strong contender in the mid-range laptop market.